If you are an affiliate marketer, you are a real estate developer, or maybe a real estate marketer, maybe you are into recruitment, you generate leads, or maybe you do payment on delivery and all of that. One thing always your problem, how to convert lead to payment. Yes, you have actually done a lot of mistakes by using the direct meta objective, try to generate it. At the end of the day, the people you even generate some of them will deny that they did not sign up. So at the end of the day, it's just a circle of waste. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create sales funnel. Yes, I know some people will say, what is different between sales funnel and sales page? Sales page is just like a static page where people just fill a form. When they fill the form, so you will now either go to your email or go to somewhere, bring the information, start arranging them on maybe Microsoft Word, Excel, or anywhere. After arranging them, before you now start planning how to start contacting them. Sometimes it takes you 24 hours to 1 day, 2 days, 3 days before you start sending the first response to these people, right? These are sales page. The sales funnel is this. You have already planned your marketing. You already have the product you are promoting. You already have the offer. You already have the steps to get the product. In fact, the product is ready. And your system, the system you build is in a way that when somebody show interest, you send everything to them immediately. They will either make decision immediately, or maybe they tell you when they want to buy it. If they are buying, you are getting the person immediately. And this one is that the one you can even get when people show interest, they will get everything about that product on their WhatsApp. I don't mean redirecting them to WhatsApp, no. I mean when they see your products. I want you to look at my screen now. Look at this. Look at this. This is a sales funnel. If I go ahead and fill this form now, I will get instant notification on WhatsApp telling me steps I need to take to get started. Where it will redirect me to the page. So meaning that if you are into affiliate marketing, you can even get the person detail while you direct them. So you can do what? Keep sending them like follow-up messages to ensure that they buy through you, right? If you are into real estate, the same thing. You are into school recruitment and everything, or maybe you are a consultant, any kind of product that you generate lead. Now let me show you. Now if I come here now, I can fill my name, fill my phone number. Let me fill this one and come here and put my email. I can put any email. I just put my name as Chinwoba. Just go ahead and click on get instant access. You see it, the message. I just waited for you here so that you see how it does what, how it drops immediately. You understand? So you see it, he call me by my name and say, thanks for contacting this and that and that. So now that is sales funnel. That is to say, if you have a business where people get instant message, everything about how to get started. Now I want you to go ahead and follow me. Let me show you how to do exactly thing like that. So whatever product you are selling, you start conversation immediately. I will show you. So I know a lot of people will say, I don't know how to write good content, good copy that will convert people. Just follow my lead, right? I want you to go ahead and do what? And open ChatGPT. Just follow my lead. Go open just chat.openai.com. If you are hearing it for the first time, you can create an account because if you use the public access, once you refresh your page, you're going to lose everything. So sorry. Now, let's say I want to sell something, and what I want to sell is this bottled water, right? So all I will need to do is to tell ChatGPT what I'm selling. I say I want to start bottled water supply around my area, Lekki, Phase 1, Lagos, Nigeria, because so many people find it hard to get quality water. The most trusted water is JK Waters. I don't know if any water is like that, but I just pick any name on my head. We deliver the water and you make payments. Now, you have now explained what you want to do to ChatGPT, right? Now, tell it another thing. Another thing you want to say, provide me with the complete sales funnel copies, including the order instant message that will be sent via our WhatsApp WhatsApp chat. But it's not a chatbot actually, it's just auto response. You will get it. WhatsApp auto response that will make them take instant action. So no matter what you are selling, that's all you need to do, right? Now let's go. If you are into affiliate, anything you are, just tell it everything you want to do. Now you say this is a strong business opportunity for Lekki Phase 1 because convenience and trusted quality is what busy residents care about. So it might not be Lekki, it can be anything. It could be food. Maybe you believe that a particular people they cook good food. You can start dropshipping the food. Whatever thing you believe that you want to do, you can do that. So now let's go ahead and see what ChatGPT has given to us. You see, ChatGPT has given a high converting headline option. Stop stressing yourself looking for quality drinking water in Lekki Phase 1. We deliver trusted JK water directly to your doorstep. Home service, apartment, shop, salon, fast delivery, you see, fast delivery and all of that. Send water now to order, right? This is Facebook and Instagram ads copy. Most people and all of that now. Landing page sales funnel. It says trusted JK waters, fast in Lekki Phase 1. Fresh, clean, trusted water. You see, order here. So meaning that you see, tired of searching for problem number quality water every day and all of so. We are not going to be wasting our time. We are interested in the sales page. Yes, we are interested in the this is headline option, right? So after that, we have the Facebook copy. Everything you need now, we have the landing page. Because you say sales funnel, it means everything, even including the emails and everything that will go. See the landing page and all. I know many people will now convince themselves that they cannot do it, that it is hard. Now, I want you to do what this is. The first step is to generate the copy. The second step is to build the landing page. So what we are going to actually going to be using to build this is system.io because you can build your landing page free, no payment is needed. So if you want to receive the link, because so you can follow along, you can go ahead and click the link under this video, or just do what? Just comment system and I will send the link to your inbox because I'm releasing these things. You understand? But if you are watching it from YouTube, I want you to go ahead and check the link on the video description. You just click and go. So you don't make mistake, right? Now, when you come for the first time, look at what you, okay. So now, this is what you need. So all you need to do is to go ahead and enter your email here and click on sign up, right? But for me, that is signing in because I already have my account. I will just go ahead and sign in. I will select my account and do that. So, and it's going to bring me in here. So, whether you have been building a website before or you have never even built anything, but you are the one that is managing your WhatsApp app, like you chat with people on WhatsApp, you can do it. Just follow me. So, the moment you log in like this, right, all you need to do is to come to this place called sales site and click, then come here and click on sales funnel. So to I want to make sure that you do it yourself. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on this create. So and go ahead and call this thing a JK Water. JK Water, right? Now you can go ahead and select your domain if you already have an account and even have a domain that is just sitting not doing anything. Or maybe the sales funnel somebody built for you, you don't like it and you wish you could do that yourself. So say no more. Now you see, if you want to build lead form, you want to use template, you can click on this any of these three. But if you want to build it from scratch, please do it from scratch, because if you try to edit the one somebody did, it might get you confused. And I don't want you to be confused. I want you to do everything yourself. So all I need to do is to select custom. And now for our currency, if your customers are majorly Nigeria, choose Naira. If your customers are majorly Ghana, choose Ghana. If it's just your location, your country, just choose your own country currency. But for me, I'm going to be choosing US dollar because this is for global audience, right? Go ahead and click on save, and the funnel you have just created will show like this. All you need to do is to go ahead and click on the name of that funnel, and this interface will show empty because we are building it from scratch. I don't want you to get confused. Just follow my lead. Now click on add step, and here now is where we come to add the JK waters again, right? JK water, and then we're going to select the kind of sales we want to do. Please come down and choose obtain this. Now we are not also going to be choosing templates. We are going to be choosing scratch. Start from scratch. I know you say, no, I've never built a website. Follow my lead. Now, the moment you are here, you can just go ahead and click on edit page so that they can take us to the page where we can start building our websites, right? Our sales funnel. Now, breathe in and out, yes. I know you'll be asking yourself, am I the one doing this? Yes, you are. So we have a title, description, and drop down. So we're going to make sure, we'll make sure that we do what, that we achieve it that way. And now we have an order, take action. Then we're not going to be using button, we're going to be using form, because that's our aim, because we don't want to repeat the same error we have been repeating, or we don't want to make the error other people are making, where people will just click it and land and that's all. No, I don't want it. Now let's go. We have three things: title and all of. So what you will do is that we're actually going to be using block. It is still a template, but it is easier. So you drag and drop the block you want. Good. So go ahead. You see we have element and block. Go ahead and click on block. Now that we have clicked on block, so we are going to be choosing one of the blocks, but we'll start from the welcome, right? So we can now go down this way and look for the one that a kind of that beats what we want to achieve, right? Very important. We can look at it that does it really beat up what we want to do? There's one that beats it, which is this particular one with video. I like this one a lot. So this one I have a title, and as well has what's it called, call to action, and video where we will now feature our offer, right? Now that is one. So the next thing we're going to be is section 2, according to our sales funnel copy. That is tired of quality water and other thing, and section 2 and 3. So we'll do the section 2 and which one? Residents of this thing and Lekki already ordered from us, from apartment, need water today. I think it's not much because I don't want this video to be too long. So all we need to do is to now do the second one. So the second one is we'll still come up and go back. So we are going to be looking at the features, or we're going to be looking at the, what's it called? No, I think that is the feature. So we look at the feature, what we might, maybe we want to tell them that people here drink our water a lot. We might want to maybe feature something else. Whatever it is, we'll feature that. Now let's check another thing. I don't think I see anything here. Let's look at opt-in form too. We might even get opt-in form. Yes, this is it. I like this one too. This is it. I like this one. So it features like what we want to achieve. So when we are doing this, you know that we're already sold out. So how do you now start editing it? It's very simple. Now the first one is the title. Come to your landing page and now copy it and come back and just double tap on it. Here, double tap on it, or even do Control A or select everything and do Control V paste. Don't worry if it is too much, we'll adjust it. Now that is trusted JP Waters, deliver fast in Lekki phase 1. Another thing we want to is the beautiful features. We can come here and do what? And paste. This is nice. Don't worry, we know what to do. So the next thing is that we also have this home, fresh now, home offices and all of that order now, right? So we have that. To add that, we can just come here and say bullet list, this one. You see it. Now, all we need to do is to come here and now homes, offices, double tap, just double tap the first one, you tap the first one, clean it and say something like homes. You see, offices. Which other one would have a restaurant, apartment, restaurants, apartment? Let's just choose this. The next one is just to say salons. Salons. You see it, so this is going to be sign up now. You understand? You can just go ahead and change it to order now. Make order. You can just listen and say make order. Pay. You can just say make order now. Order now, or make order here. Now, there's what we call sub information, subtext. You can just say payment delivery. That is assurance. Assurance, right? That is very, very important when it comes to business like this. And you can even reduce it a bit if it is bigger than the order. That will adjust it more. That is one. So the next thing is that you can go ahead and add the video. If you don't want to add video, you can remove it. Right? If you don't want to add video, just remove it and say take away. Yes. And also make sure you take away this so it doesn't bring a block and all of that. So you can decide to drop in a picture. You can decide to drop in a picture like an image. Just click drag and drop image and just do what? Click on it once and do what? Click on this icon here, this upload icon, and look for nice picture, nice image. Do we have nice image at all? Okay, now let me go ahead and look for this nice image. I'll just do this. You can maybe where you kind of pack the water, maybe you now visited the factory where you buy the water. You can take a nice shot from them so they see the hygienic environment where the water is produced or where they are making the water. Very important. So make sure the image is uploaded, your images. So let me go ahead and save it. Okay. All right. Let me see the one that entered. This one entered very well. Very well. I like it. So this way. Now this is where we now go to the second one, which is the second that says tired of or we deliver quality water. Anyone at all you feel that you want to use, it's not a must that you copy everything that ChatGPT gives you. So if you want to copy everything, nice. So you can just do it that we deliver trusted waters. There are some product that you don't even need to talk too much. So this way, This is nice. So this is form that is already so. Whether you need this or that. So we might now put the video here, right? So writing the benefits of the waters and all of that. So let's take this as the benefit of water and do it. Now the next thing is I might want to add a footer to make it look professional, right? Go ahead to the blog and choose. In fact, you can choose testimonial. If you already have testimonial, it's here. So go ahead and do what and choose more things you believe that are going to be beneficial to you. This is it. Go back and choose the footer. And we can just call this now where you want the footer to do what for people to like see your locations and come and pick up. You can use this one. But if you just want something short and better, you can use this. So you can, if you go ahead and save, now preview that, and you can see how beautiful our sales funnel is. Now we can go ahead and do what and adjust it a bit. Maybe you feel that it is too wide, not organized, right? All you need to do is to come back to the editor, then hover your mouse up and you see section. Click on this icon here and scroll down and you will see what we call content width. It determines how wide the content to the page will look. So you can come down, you see it's on medium, change it to small. You see it munches it, and do the same thing across board like all these ones. So all you need to do, the ones you want to do it is come close and make sure that you hover over it. If they are this together, you hover over it. According to the each block, these are different block, meaning that we'll have a word. You have also a section, so you can click on the section and come down and click on the content width, which is the positioning, and choose small. If you like it as medium, you can still allow it. Make some small and leave some medium. Like this one will be good and see so. This is nice, right? So you can now, if you want to adjust it, you feel that the wording is bigger. All you need to do is to just hover your mouse and click on this what's it called, gear icon, and you can see the font size, the line height and everything there. If you want to do it like professionally, go ahead and click on this setting here so that you can do it. We normally call it global setting that will apply automatically, right? So all you need to do is to come to the default typography, which is font, meaning font. Font means the way your site writing is looking. You want to change the writing. So go ahead and choose Google Fonts. If you don't know about font, I can choose for you. Use Poppins. You see the way it's looking. And then the font size for the heading. That is for heading. Now, always do the heading bolder. But for me, I'm going to choose 700 bold. You see the site already changing. Very important. So then you come down and use, okay, this is the normal one. So for the normal, we go ahead and choose regular. Yes, we don't want to mess things up. For the heading font, like this is the heading font, all these mid font, this is heading and other headings, right? So what we'll do is come to the setting and look for heading and choose Google Font Poppins. At this point, that's the one we're supposed to get something huge for. That is bold. We get bold. Very important. It is very important. Now, if you want it to be by the left or by the right, don't worry, it will apply. So that is it. So if you are okay with it, it is okay. Now, you can even come inside of it and adjust it the way you want. Maybe you don't want it to be in like two line, even though it is, you want it to be very bold or no matter how you want. So this is where you now choose Google Font and as well make its own arrangement and make sure that you choose good font and choose font let's say bold, something like this. Nice. So the same thing with the text here. If you want to like make it look amazing, just only hover it and choose this gear icon. Come here. If you want to reduce it more, you want them to be on the same line this way. You want it to be cool. So you can even do it the way if you want it to give it a space, you go up, you want it to space it more. And also the letters, you want them scattered this way. And reduce this. I'll reduce the font so that it looks amazing. So the same thing with this. So however you want it, just make sure you use the same method. You want to increase it, the font size, then choose maybe Google Fonts. Make sure you are using the same kind of font across board. So something like this. Another thing is our button. Button is very important when it comes to this type of setup. Button is important. So now this is going to be like an open URL, but then we are going to be using it like a redirection. When you click on it, instead of taking you to a website or taking you away, it's going to bring you down to this form. So that's what we use it for. So meaning that you can just go ahead and say order now, make your order. Then if you like the what's it called? If you like the button the way it is, you can leave it. But if you want to adjust it, just do the same thing and come here. Don't worry, you come down here. This is where you adjust its own. So this is make order here. See the font size you want to use, right? So the font height, you can reduce it. And why it's looking like, if you want to make it like curved or circle, so it is, I think, something radius. We'll apply it now. Let me look at it. That is curved, it's 15%. So which is corner radius. So if you want it to be more circle, you don't make it 50 this way, right? Very important. And you want to put a border, maybe you want to put a borderline around it, you can do the same thing. That's something like this. Maybe change the color to something. Some people like it when this thing is popping. So, but I'm not a fan of too much design of this. So you can do it just the way you want to do it. You see. So maybe you don't even like your order like this. You just want them to put phone number, email, and this, right? So you can do the same thing. All you need to do is that you can even remove this and put your form here. It doesn't change anything. All you need to do is to come down to the form. So I want you to play with form a lot. Form input. Come here and drop the form input. Or if you don't want it to be in a straight line, you want it to be this way. I know that a lot of people like it like that. All you need to do is to come to the column layout and choose how many information you want to choose. Like me, I like name, phone number, email, and the other detail, the information. That is 4. So what I need to do is to just choose this, what's it called? 4 column. Put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is it. And even that one I deleted before, I'm not supposed to delete it. Let me bring it back. Let me bring this button back. So we are going to be using it right now. So go ahead and drop that 4 column on top of it at the top. Now look at it. Something like a kind of a highlight. You drop it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to stay add as order here or order now, right? So what I will do is that I'll click the first one. The first one. Now what I will do now is that I'm going to go back, not clicking the first one. Come to the form. On this form now, I'm going to be dragging in form input. Go ahead and drag this form input, drop it in the first one, drag the form input, put it in all of them. Don't worry yourself. Don't say, what are we doing? Don't worry, you don't need to know. So now we have 4 form inputs. What we'll do here now is that we're going to click on each of them and choose what we want to accept there. First is that we want to accept first name in the first one. Second one, we want to accept email or phone number. Let's accept the email. The third one, we want to accept phone number. And then we want to, this last one, we want them to type the thing by themselves. what's it called? So let's check something. I just want us to have text there. Now let me check if system.io has that separately. So let's come down to form. So this is going to be form details is form input, button, checkbox, and calendar. I don't think they have that. Mm, let me just put it and choose something else. What are we choosing? Let's choose what's it called? Neighborhood or address. Yes, street number. Address is better. Street address is what we need. So this is it, and we say make your order. Don't worry about the rest of the information. Don't worry because this is sales funnel, not just anything. Hmm? Now at this point we have this, so we might want to remove this one. We might want to remove this. So if you want to remove, make sure you are on the what's it called, the section, so you can remove the entire section. So you can remove the entire section. I want to remove the entire section because this one does not need too much talk. So we want them to do what? To order this using this. So we're going to reduce the font or make it bolder. So anyone we want to do, we can do it. So font type and all of that, we can just use for that. You can use the same this and just use normal Lato for this one and use this one, Google font, and use just Lato for the form and regular. Yeah, it looks nice and all of that. So that is so you can go ahead and do what you want to do next, but you can see that our sales uh, funnel is different from see the way it was looking. So let's preview it again. So it's looking this way. If you want to even add your phone number anywhere, just drag and drop what you want and you are good. So meaning that nobody will do shakara. And this entire thing I have just done now is free. Trusted JK water, deliver fast in Lekki phase 1. Fresh, clean, trusted drinking water delivered direct to your doorstep without stress. Home offices, salon, you write orders and say, make order here. Payment on delivery. That's what a lot of people want to hear. So instead of all those too much grammar, you are just wasting time. Just a moment. So just like what we have said before, that we don't want a situation where people will make order and will be waiting for us. So instead of them waiting, we waiting for them, you are instead of them waiting for us, let us be the one waiting for them. So how do we mean? If I go ahead and fill this form and send now, what will happen is that it's going to just be like normal sales page. So maybe this now will be dropped on our maybe email or drop on our system.io backend, or maybe it will now redirect them to our phone. No, we are going to be doing something very unique. So if you are into affiliate marketing, right? So all you need to do is that maybe you want to get information from them. But if you don't want to get information from them, all you need to do is that this button here, this button, you are not going to be using it as submit button because now we are changing it to submit button. You are going to be using it as open URL where you will now paste that maybe seller affiliate link or product, any product you want to promote, you can do that, right? But for us, we are going to be doing what? Using it as a submit button when you want to use it as a sales page or recruitment or something, or you want them to even receive your link on their WhatsApp. But it's always after they do something, you do what? You go to the next page, or you just do what? Redirect them to a custom page. Now you have two offers. When they fill this form, it should redirect them to maybe your group or your maybe Telegram group, maybe your channel, your WhatsApp channel. Let them follow you and say so that they will get updates about your offer, the other things. So anywhere you want to send them to, you can do that, right? But I want the moment they do that, I want them to do what to go to my product so that they can buy the product. when they test it, they can buy my product. So then, now how do we make this a sales funnel? How we want to make it a sales funnel? Sales funnel means that we already have the information they need on how to make the order. Now let's check the order delivery message that ChatGPT gave us. Now this is a WhatsApp auto message. It says, "Hi lead user," but this is not the one that will call the name and says, "Welcome to JK Water Supply Service Lekki Phase 1. We deliver trusted water. This is nice speech. To place your order quickly, kindly location, number of packs, preferred delivery time, and the example, 2 packs and all of that." You see, don't if you receive this when someone fill your phone, won't you take action? So that's now for us to be able to do it. We will not redirect them and we will not use anyhow anything to do that, right? Now, what we will now do is that we are going to be doing what? Copy this, copy that, right? But we are not copying it first because we need to do some copy. So for us to make it a sales funnel, we are going to be using a system called Tiger DM. So this is one of the most trusted and WhatsApp Smart Inbox, official WhatsApp API powered that you can use to do all of that. So this will help you do what? And get more sales because after this thing is happening, you can even send them broadcast message without the drama of getting your number blocked or banned because the bulk messages will have to go through the WhatsApp API. Now that WhatsApp API means that WhatsApp charges you when you send a bulk message. If anything make you send that bulk message without using the official API, they will buy your number. And what you are doing is not business. Let me explain this thing to you. Sending a bulk SMS is between 4 naira to 15 naira right now for DND. Yes, do not disturb numbers. Now, but sending the bulk WhatsApp message that is more effective is 0.003 to Meta, not to these people. The only thing you do is that you just pay small plan for 1 year and you have that asset. You now connect your card directly to Meta. But one beautiful thing about this platform is that these notifications that you are going to be sending from your, what's it called? Auto response you are going to be sending from system.io or any other platform is free. Meaning that if at the end of the day you end up generating like 5,000 to 10,000 messages daily, these are to your advantage. Meaning that if you go ahead and calculate it by bulk SMS, yes, let me show you something. Now, a bulk SMS you can send with do not disturb numbers will take at least 10 units. Some take up to 15, depending on the network. But when you send normal one, it's just 4 naira, 5 naira. But I believe most of them are doing 5 naira. And most of the time, the message, imagine this message. Now, if you want to send this message, you hear bulk SMS. This is like 3 pages. And you know how much 3 pages is? 3 pages, let's say it's for 4 naira times 3 is 12. And the message you are going to be sending will not be personalized and will not go instantly. You see the difference now. Let's say at the end of the day, you just run your advert and more than 5,000 people cross your landing page or so you have 6,000 lead. This 6,000 lead now, shit. Let's say, yes, sorry, yes. I say 6,000, maybe people are landing and you have about, let's say you generate between 50 leads daily. And for 30 days, you are going to be generating like, let's say, 1,500. Because I need to get it right now. Let's say this month you were able to get 1,500, and each of the time you send message, that is about, I say 5 naira times 3, that is 15 naira by 1,500 leads, 22,000. If you do that, let's say you try to remind them maybe 3 times, this is going to be like you end up paying 67,000 every month. Let's say you do this for 6 months, you would have been spending 405,000 naira. So that is the calculation people don't make. They only say this one is cheaper, but they don't check it long term. So for Tiger GM, it's a little money. So before we reveal the money, you can go ahead and check it yourself. It's very cheap. Now let's go ahead and sign in and see how you can connect the both and how they work faster. Then we now do the final talk. Go ahead and click on sign in or get started. If you're coming for the first time, you can go ahead and click here and create an account. But me, I'm going to log in because I already have my account and it is very easy to connect, right? Because I don't want this video to be too long. So right now, I'm now logged in. So for me to connect system.io, this page with this Tiger DM, you saw that when you fill the form, you send that information. So now, instead of them waiting for us, we are the one waiting for the response. That is why you are not selling your product, because they wait for you when they fill your form. You are not the one waiting for them. So it's a problem. So let's go. So whether it is even rare estate, use the same way. Any type of product you are selling, use the same way. Let's go. Now, all we need to do first and foremost is to come down. When we want to connect other system, go ahead and click on manage webhook. Don't say I don't know, this is techie. No, it's not techie. Just click where I ask you to click. Click on manage webhook. Now click on create. Now, before you just leave it here, let's go back to system.io. What we are promoting is JK Water. Let's go ahead and call it JK Water. Call it, the webhook name is going to be JK Waters. That is all you want to do here. No coding. Just click save. Leave the rest. Make sure that your method is post, not get. Just leave it on post and click save. Is anything technical now? Because I know some people say, no, is anything technical now? No. Now that we have JK Waters, go ahead and click on this copy webhook URL here. Just click on this. You have copied it. Now come back to the editor. Now don't forget that we are here. If we are here, this is it. So all you need to do is to just click on the button, not on any of these forms. Click only on the button. You see it now, and it says this is now a submit URL. If your own is on the open URL, just change it to submit because you want to submit the form. And it says, do you want to redirect user after contact registration? I said yes and put the link. So now, do you want to enable double opting? Leave it the way it is. Don't even stress yourself. And now we have add automation rule. Don't say it's automation. Don't say it is what's it called? Because some people always find reason not to do what they want to do. Just click on the automation rule. As you clicked on it. Now click on send webhook. Just click. Don't say what is webhook. Click on it. Now you now say type webhook URL. That one you copied from here. You see, you just click, it is copied, and now click on the editor and now paste it. And now click on save rule. Is it not easy? Now go ahead and click on save. That is all. That is all. Now what you need to do is that close this our first preview and let us do a preview again and fill form, because that will now give us the next thing we need to do, because we want to receive this form. We want to receive this form information on this place. We want to receive it on this webhook log. You see, nothing is here. Nothing is. Don't worry. Don't ask me what is webhook log. Don't even ask that question. Just come back to this place, and we are going to be removing the preview. Make sure it's not on preview so that you can send the information. Because when it is on preview, it's just like when somebody says test. It doesn't mean you are yet eating. You just want to test. Now, as it is now, I'm going to fill my information. That information is that I'm going to do what? Fill. Let me use another name. Let me say iFunnels, choose this email, choose this and that. Whatever that just dropped there, I want to just choose it like that. But I might want to use this one I'm normally using. So I have filled the form. Fill the form yourself with right information and click on make order. So what did you see? It's going to take us to that landing page for seller page for the AI powered business structure that works even when you are not there. So you see it. So let's go back to Tiger DM and refresh this page now. So if what we have done is good, it's good. You see it. It has now sent us something. It has now done what? Send us something. Don't ask me what are we doing. Just follow my lead. Now, see this action. See something like an eye. Click on it. Don't say it's code. It's not code. Don't say it's code. It's not code. Just come down. Come down. Now, you see you see that phone number we added. You see that name I added. You see that Ikeja you saw there. Now, don't click on any other thing that except You see this our the one that has phone number. Just click on phone number, the text. Oh, don't click on this one because you know it's not clickable. This one is clickable. You have clicked on it. Because I have instant what's it called, clipboard matching. So I will just click on all of them so I can copy the address and all of that. You understand? So I can make it the way I want it to be. So the moment you have just clicked to copy it and you have copied it, don't worry. That is all we want to get from it. Right? So now leave it the way it is and come back to Tiger DM. Now that we're at Tiger DM, just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll. Don't go fast though. Come to this automation flow. That automation flow is where we put the text we want people to a kind of fill. So what I will do is that I will click on it. After it has opened, just arrange it where, drag it anywhere you want to drag it. Now give it a name here. Call it JK Waters. That's all you want to do for me. Give it JK Waters. Yeah, JK Waters. I want to open my WhatsApp to make sure that my WhatsApp will get that information. But if it disturbs us, I will close it. Now, what I will do, okay, I will close it because WhatsApp always drag the web. So now, you see where it show you this chatbot, source and everything, right? Just click on this option and click on this webhook automation. Don't say you don't know code. Just do it the way I want you to do it, right? Now, go ahead and you see, phone number parts. That phone number asks you to click on it. We're going to paste that in. Now, all you need to do is to just do Control V. But for me, I'm not going to be doing Control V because I copied many things. So see the part for email, part for first name, and part for phone number. Look at what you will receive. If this is Shopify or anything, don't worry. Whatever you copy there, that is it. Now, all you want to do is to just click on this icon here. That is all I want you to do for me. Now, the message that we're going to be sending to these people is what we want to now paste here. So how do you do that? Look at this. It's called node menu. But the last one, click on it. You see, send message, send WhatsApp template and all that. Don't worry, leave the rest. Just say send WhatsApp message. So now drag it to where you want it to be. And now we have select origin. That is what we are using to send the message. Like I said before, that this platform help you save money. You understand? Especially when you want to continue doing that business, you have to do what? There are some levels that you have to make payment for that will save you money, that it will not look like it is free. So it is only this platform where you can use official Meta API. There are some, the ones you cannot send free. This platform will not allow you to send it because it's your business number so that they will not block it. That's why I recommend this platform very well. Now, I also connected my WhatsApp business, normal WhatsApp I'm using. Look at it here. I will ask it to send that message. So now that I've connected it, this is where I will paste that message. I copy from here, from this place that says, now this is not what we're going to be using, right? We're going to be using our own term. So copy that information and open Notepad. In case you want to adjust something, open Notepad. Don't say, am I going to be coding? No, you are not coding. Open Notepad this way and paste it. You understand? So it now says, welcome to, okay, I want to go up to make sure now. It say, hi, this is where you're supposed to call the person's first name. I'm going to be pasting the first name part. Look at the address. This is the first name. Do you understand? Now, you say, welcome to JK Waters. So depending on your own business, I say home delivery and that to place order, quickly kindly confirm information below. Now, I will not say reply below. Okay, kindly reply below your location. So I'm going to be pasting the location the ChatGPT gave me. The location that system.io, the location they filled on system.io. To do that, I'm going to drop kind of a location part. I clicked on all of them. Now for number or packs, prefer delivery time. So this one now is going to be like that. Now, example, this 4 p.m. and all of that. So order are processed immediately based on availability. Now go ahead and do Control A, copy everything and go and do what? Come back to Tiger DM and paste it here. So this one, be the judge. Do you think people are not going to be taking action instead of generating the lead? Are you, you made order for water? Are you ready to order it? What are you saying? What if it's an organization? Nobody have time to pick your call, and even the decision maker is not the one taking the call. You say you generated lead and nobody's buying. You see, so what I want to do now, I'm going to connect these two together. Now, place your mouse inside, even though you are using a phone, make sure that you touch it, you hold it down, and you see that it's just like a compact. You see it, you hold it down, and it gives you something like a rubber band. Connect it to this little dot you see by the other side, and that's all. The only thing you want to do now is to go ahead and click on save. Did you code? No. If you abandon it here, it's not my fault because I'm telling you that you are not coding. Or did you code? No. Now, all you need to do now is to tell it to go ahead, is to come down here and see webhook automation. Now we want to automate it. You say, am I going to do an automation? No. Click. Click on this add webhook. Now give it a name, JK Waters. And do what? Select the origin, JK Waters. Select the automation flow, JK, because we use JK Waters everywhere. And go ahead and save. We are good to go. So let's open our WhatsApp so that we can see that what we have done is working very well, right? Now our WhatsApp is now opened. So what we need to do is to come back to our editor and do what? Because I don't want us to do this. I'll come back to our editor and do what? Let's preview the website and do what? And fill the form and see our connection, what it looks like. Now, I'm going to be removing the preview from it, just like I said. Now, this is it. So this is the original one. So I'll come here now. I'll call myself Mr. Michael. Now, I'm going to give it the same email because I don't want to litter my inbox with bad email. Now, you see it. So if I go ahead and put wrong number, it will not go. If I put wrong email, it will not still go. So I'm going to use this one. Or I can even pick somebody's WhatsApp and just send it, because now I'm going to call it and say 45 Ige Street, Ikeja, Lagos. Or maybe the address, wherever it is. So go ahead and click on make order, and let's rush to WhatsApp and wait for it to drop here. Let's hope. Boom. Can you see it? Look at it here. Yeah, I think it has opened on the, because I opened it on mobile too. So let's read. It says, "Hi, Mr. Michael. Welcome to our JK Water delivery. We deliver this and that. See, where it's important to place your order quickly. Can you reply below? Your location, 45 Ige Street, Ikeja, Lagos. Number of pack, prefer this and that." How cool is that? So if somebody received this from your order, it means that they are ready. They are not begging you. They are not waiting for. They are not waiting for 2 hours, 3 hours before they start calling, sending message. These are old method. Sales funnel is the best. Now, if also you set up the auto response, like instant messages, where sequence messages, where someone fill this form, is going to be telling them why they need quality waters, why many people go to hospital 4 times in a year. These emails will be dropping every single day. Maybe you can decide to schedule emails that work like maybe 7 days. Those emails you are sending is not trying to convince them. No, this is the error a lot of people make when they are doing something like this. No, you are talking about the product, why they need something like that. And because you have a sales funnel, you always guide them back. You can always place your order here and we'll attend to it immediately. If you want quality water, we recommend JK Water because of this. Let's assuming that you are having maybe issues each time you drink water because those waters are not good. We can supply you a pack today and you pay half the price. If you love it, you can now make your order. Don't you think people will rush? If it is food, if it is anything. Now, if what you are into is you are into affiliates, you know what to do. All you need to do is to just remove all of these things. You can remove these ones also. Just put email and phone and WhatsApp number, name, email, and WhatsApp number. Just information you want to get, or just put so that you kind of send that information to. Just follow the same guide and you will love it. So if you're a real estate developer, you see why you are not selling. Another beautiful thing with Tiger DM is that it has what we call multiple inbox. So meaning that you can use one WhatsApp number to manage your entire team. So that is what we have prepared in the complete AI-powered business structure that works even in your absence. That's this course you are seeing, meaning that you can go ahead and get this course. If you're watching it somewhere outside this page and you want to get this course immediately, you can just go ahead and just reply AI and I will send you the link to order this course. Right? So if you want a kind of to get link to system.io so that you can just sign up with it instead of typing and going to the wrong link, all you need to do is to reply systems and I will send it to your inbox. That is it. So if you love this, I want you to go ahead and share this video massively, like massively, so that a lot of people are just wasting money generating this. So we put together the complete everything you need: how to set up sales page, how to set up the sequence emails that go out every single day, how to get a mailbox for your business, because as a business owner like this, you need a mailbox, the email that come with your name.com at your name.com. So you don't need to have one special website, and you can as well use it to connect with your system.io. Now, we also put together how you can structure your business. When some people mention structure, they don't actually mean structure, they mean confusion. Just like a friend of mine who did what? Who employed 5 staff, went to the market, bought 5 smartphones. Now, what did he do again? Installed different WhatsApp on these 5 phones. What do you think has happened? He had just opened 5 different businesses that he cannot reach in one business. That is to say, if for any reason you want to know what each of them are doing, that means they have to do or submit these phones to him. Do you think it's going to be possible? Now, it's going to be possible in the first month, but this from the end of the month, even the staff will be overwhelmed because they will not be able to give proper report. Even you, the business owner, you also be overwhelmed. Tell me, because now you have given the power into their hand. They will show you what they want to show you, and you can only see what they want you to see. The ones they don't want you to see, they will delete it. There's nothing you can do. You cannot monitor it. But what if you can manage the entire team from one WhatsApp scene where you add them to the conversation, you don't give the contact to them? So all of these things are what we have put together in this AI structure course, where you can get everything you need to structure your business, save your money, and make more with peace of mind. So see you in the next video, where I'm going to be sharing more free videos. But depending on how many shares this video got, it's going to depend on whether I will share more videos free. Don't forget, my name is Tim OJ, African Tech Premier. See you in the next video.
If you want to automate your WhatsApp notifications safely using the new Meta Coexistence feature, check out tigerdm.com. Start automating your Shopify, WooCommerce, or Systeme.io notifications with WhatsApp today. Don't keep spending heavily on SMS when WhatsApp can convert better. Use your existing WhatsApp business account safely with automation and CRM workflows. Visit tigerdm.com to learn more.